Therese Potter here with Agency Performance Partners. Now we're going to talk about when to recommend umbrella coverage. So, umbrella liability insurance is designed to provide additional coverage beyond the limits of someone's primary policies, like their homeowners or their auto policy. So, while specific needs can vary, there are several groups of people who might find an umbrella liability policy beneficial. So, anybody with high net worth, it's very important that they have an umbrella policy because it's more likely that people will see them and sue them or want more money or slip and fall or file a claim. So it's important with high net worth people that they do have an umbrella policy. Obviously, somebody who owns a home or has a pool or a trampoline, they want to have an umbrella policy. Car owners, because you may get into an accident where your liability on your auto policy is not enough, so you will need that umbrella coverage to extend over. Landlords, somebody who owns a bunch of property, because they rent out, an umbrella would be beneficial to them in case someone gets injured in the property that someone is renting or their renters get injured. Business owners, it is also important that business owners have a business liability insurance policy. So their business liability policy will work, but then when that is exhausted, they can also have a business umbrella policy. You do need to look in, as an agent, you need to look into where the limit is of personal lines insurance umbrella and a business umbrella, because there's certain things under a personal lines umbrella that are business related that may not be covered, so you need to look into that. Also, parents of teenagers. If you have a teenager, they are more prone to accidents. So an umbrella policy will provide protection in case of serious injury involving a teenager. I do have a 17-year-old that lives home. I do have an umbrella policy, and I've had it since him and his brother were much, much younger, before they even could drive, just because I knew the importance of it. Anybody who's a professional, like doctors, lawyers, high income earners, they may face higher liability risks due to the nature of their work. So you definitely want to offer an umbrella policy to them. Those involved in recreational activities. When I read this one, I was like, yeah, that's important, because notice how when they go to sports activities, you have a higher risk of accident or injury. So things such as boating or skiing, an umbrella policy can offer additional peace of mind in those kind of sports. Volunteers or board members. I am also a board member, so I do have an umbrella in case of that. So individuals serving as nonprofit boards or volunteering may face personal liability in certain situations. So an umbrella policy would be some extra coverage in those cases. So it's important to note that the decision to get an umbrella liability policy depends on individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and the nature of one's assets and activities. Consulting with you as their insurance agent, it's really important to determine whether your customers need an umbrella liability policy or not, and if it's appropriate for specific situations for your clients. So get out there, sell those umbrella policies, and have a great day. Thank you.